may be down, feel like God has somehow forgotten. You may be faced with circumstances you can't get through. Right now it seems there's no way out, and you're going under. Oh, but God's proven time and time again, He'll fix this for you. Do it again. He'll do it again. Oh, just take a look where you are now and where you've been. Hasn't He always come through for you? He's the same God as then. He's the same God as me. Well, you may not know how, you may not know when, but He'll do it again. God knows the things you're going through, and He knows how you're hurting. And God understands just how your heart has been broken into. He's the God of the sun, the moon, and the stars. He is your Father.